The maintenance required light is on, and the oil life reminder is down to about 10%. Let's reset this. So I'm going to kill the car and then just turn the ignition on. Let's push and hold until the oil life light starts blinking. Release, push and hold again. "100% oil life." Let's just cycle off that to the odometer. Good to go. Resetting the display for the oil life reminder. Turn on the ignition switch. Display the engine oil life by repeatedly pressing the select reset knob. Press and hold the knob for 10 seconds or more. The engine oil life indicator and the maintenance item will start blinking. Then you press and hold for another 5 seconds or more, and the display will return to 100%.